So, good morning, everyone. How are you? Today's my interview session. Explain what are you just feeling? Okay. When I just wake up, it took so much. Again, a negative thoughts. It is a can be routine. After that, I just hold myself and wake up around at 8:45, and my mom takes stress. My other parents take stress. My maternal uncle. And very irresponsible. I thought that I will be managed, but I'm not managed. After I just should take a bath, uh, my big brother, I just call him a maternal uncle, big maternal uncle, uh, going to that particular interview. I just read at a 10:53. When I just go to the center, I feel so much nervous. I don't know that what should I write name. I just imagine that it is a 10:53, but I just come at the home at 10 o'clock. I was just so much nervous, and I just started with the word sorry from a particular employee of that organization. And when I just enter it, I feel so much vibe types, good organization, normal organization. Now come back to what I just wearing a white shirt and black pant and white shoes and tying mine with a clutcher. When I just go to into the interview, sir, I just knock him. May I come in, sir? Should I sit, sir? So, sir, first of all, sir, asking the question is that tell me about your father. I said that my father is a no more because of heart attack, and my mother is a housewife. So the conversation just started. I feel so much nervous. I didn't know that this took hand place on the table, particular cabin, and particular other it gave us so much unique vibe and stranger vibe. My other senior, the also working in that particular organization. Now, what was the experience that he is giving a particular 10 days time that you should come next week. This will give a time and give a thinking about time to take a time and come back to the interview right now. So I just discussed with my maternal uncle. Uh, I take a permission that should I go to sir, but it is not allowed in an interview. You should give a particular decision that you should be committed at that time in a uh, at least 1.5 year. This is a very strict and bound contract. This is a particular term and condition you should be signed if you go in a particular situation. uh, I think when I just talk with a particular sir, I remember that particular sir is come in my college and taking a particular interview session. uh, right now I just meeting the face to face. I just revising all the journal entries. I think if he is taking a particular interview in the form of journal entry, I was so much feeling nervous, feeling so much stressed that what type of particular journal entry he was asking, what type of particular that was facing a stress. I just take come back and at home now. The discussion was 1.5 year was so much take time, and I have also another plans. My parents was thinking a lot for me, and when I just watching the video, I was so stressed. The stress point is that when you go to the particular watch particular, it will give a different. Watching videos, of other persons or particular motivator life is really different. You have a different life, you have a different thought, you have a different particular mindset, but it should give a time 10 days, I hope. I feel so much clingy and nervous, overthinking, stress, fear, because if you go for every new place normal, it's when I just go to the I feel I don't know, I was just blankless. My whole face was just a sweaty. My maternal uncle was take attention also that 1.5 year was a very strict time, and salary was expectation only 12,000. I know he is just looking my resume. I just do not edit my resume. I just get rid about my WhatsApp PDF feed. Then I just go to the photo straight. My maternal uncle was go to the photo straight, and it was I just doing everything in a hurry because previous night I just watching a very bad serial of vampire love stories. That's why I just facing this. I share my weakness. That's why I just facing this type of fear. Yeah. So this was my interview. What I feel now, just come back to the, eating breakfast. Yeah. And today's the day is about, yeah. Good morning.